Hey, what's up? If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here called Ebuno Surveys, okay? And maybe you're wondering, can you really just make money just by filling out some simple surveys? Let's check it out. Let's find out if this is a good way for you to make money online, or maybe there are better ways out there. Anytime you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online, and I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, right? Let's find out whether Ebuno is a good way or maybe it's an ugly way, and maybe the better ways for you to make money online out there, right? Now, Ebuno has actually been around for quite a few years. They are a European-based survey company. They're basically an aggregator, right? So what they do is they work with a lot of different survey panels, and then they aggregate the surveys based on the countries that you're at. They will allow you to fill out the surveys and you get paid for them. It's a free website. It's available in most countries, mainly in the US and Europe, all right? Some Asian countries, but they're not available everywhere right now. But you can check it out, see if you can actually get access, and if you can get access, it means that it's available in your country. But it is available in quite a lot of countries. So it's very simple. You come in right here, name and email address. They will send you a email. Make sure you verify it, add your password, and then you can get access. And once you get access, it's gonna look something like this, all right? Now, there are two main ways to make money on Ebuno. The first way is filling out surveys, all right? So they've got some surveys right here, and depending on where you're located in the world and that particular day, you will have access to, a few surveys or no surveys or a lot of surveys. It just depends on your luck, all right? So it's not like you can come here and fill out 100 surveys a day. That's not how it works, right? It will be really based on your profile, your location, and just a little bit of luck. Do they have enough surveys that particular day for you to actually fill out, right? So sometimes you might have, 6, sometimes you might have 1, sometimes it might be none, right? But you can see here that you've got a timing, and you can see how much you're being paid at the top, right? So 60 points is 60 cents, 128 points is $1.28, so 100 points is $1. So it's a very clear, easy way to translate your points into money. And then there'll be a time here, right? Now, the thing that you have to understand about survey filling, if you've never done it before, is you have to qualify for the surveys, all right? So just because I have 6 surveys here doesn't mean that I can fill every single one of them out and actually make money from them. I will have to go in and I've got to start filling it out, and very quickly it will know whether I'm, a relevant person to fill out that survey, and so I might get disqualified, all right? It's very normal for survey applications like this to disqualify you and then boot you out of the survey, because the survey panels that are collating all this information, they want the right people to take the survey. So for example, if the survey is about playing sports, right, and you don't play any sports, then you're not necessarily the relevant person for that particular survey, so you get booted out, right? So just understand that you will get disqualified from some surveys, and unfortunately that's going to eat into the time that it takes to actually work this survey website, right? That's pretty normal, right? So expect to be booted out of one out of every 3 surveys that you fill out. Sometimes it could be worse, you might get booted out a little bit more, right? So just put that, add that into the overall time that it takes. This is just a guide. So this one right here, 10 minutes, it might take a bit longer. It might take 15 minutes, it might take 16 minutes, but it gives you, kind of a good idea. And you can see that, the surveys are pretty normal. I've reviewed hundreds of survey websites, right? The average is between 20 cents and 50 cents per survey. And you can see it's pretty accurate, 60 cents, 40 cents, 20 cents, 43 cents, right? So it's around there. Occasionally you might get a dollar survey, which is this one right here, but the chances of getting that consistently is quite slim, okay? So you do the math on that. How much could you earn from this? Well, it really depends on your luck. It depends on your country location. It depends on how many surveys you qualify for, right? And whether or not you can get through these surveys and actually fill them out successfully. Sometimes you may not be able to do that, right? So on average, I would say, if you're filling out surveys that are 20 cents to 50 cents, 15 minutes a piece, let's just say you qualify for 4 surveys a day, you're looking at maybe, $1 or, $1 every 1 or 2 hours, okay? Because you're going to get, booted out of surveys too. Sometimes you may not have surveys. So it's really not that much money. A couple of hours, $1 is roughly about 50 cents an hour. That's kind of the payout rate. On the left-hand side, you can see something called offer walls. This is another way where you can earn a little bit more money, right? These guys work with very big, paid offer companies, and they've got a whole bunch of different things you can do. Surveys, mobile apps, offers, and basically they offer you, the points you can see is not that much, honestly. I mean, this is only 20 cents, right? This is 16 cents, this is 7 cents, and you're going to have to do certain things. Like for example, this one, a World of Warships. You have to download this game, and play a match only on desktop, and you get 7 cents. Okay, this one right here, complete the survey to find out if you'll achieve millionaire status by this year. This is like a little bit old, right? 4 points, that's only 4 cents, right? This one right here, Zoombox, download this, and you have to like, do it in a certain way, right? And then you can win potentially 350 points, which is 35 cents. Okay, so there's some offers here that you can take part in as well, which is pretty cool. And they've also got some surveys that you can check out as well. So this is also another way that you can earn. All right, now to withdraw money through Ebuno, they basically pay out through PayPal and other gift cards as well. The nice thing is, it's not super high, it's pretty average. The threshold is $10, all right, which means that you have to get about 1,000 points in order to withdraw. Now the question is how long is it going to take you to get to $10, right? Well, again, it depends on your luck. I mean, if you're doing this for a couple of hours every day and you're making about $1, it might take you 10 days, it might take you 20 days, right? It might take you 2 or 3 weeks. It's not going to be super fast, but you can get there if you're doing this consistently within a month. All right, so expect to earn anywhere from $10 to maybe $30 a month if you're really hustling. Look, this is not meant to help you retire. It's not meant to replace your full-time income. This is just a little bit of extra bonus money. It's free. You can come here, fill out surveys when you're free. It can be pretty time consuming, and you're not really earning a super high amount of money. I mean, we're talking about 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents per survey, right? And it does take you time to actually do it. So I mean, you can check it out if you want. I don't think surveys is the best way to make money, but it is free. Ebuno's been around for a long time. It's available in a lot of countries, and if you want to just kind of do this on the side, then expect to earn anywhere from $10 to $30 a month if you're putting in a couple of hours every single day. All right, if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for a way to earn big income online. If this is the first time you're landing on my channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different strategies to earn income on the internet. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, right? Now, out of all of them, there was one strategy that I used to completely change my life. I used it to quit my full-time job. I make 5 times what I used to in my old corporate job, right? And I think this is a great strategy for beginners if you want to make potentially full-time income if you really work the strategy, okay? Now, I've got a free masterclass. I've documented the process. If you want to check that out, there is a link for it right below this video that you can go through, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of Ebuno. All the best to you. See you on another video review. Take care.